Hello my beloved viewers, welcome back to my channel on a new video of some series that is running into my channel. Friends, today in this short video we are going to learn how to use the if function and sum if function in a nested form to get a result by grouping in our Excel worksheet. So without wasting any time, let's get back to the point, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon to get all notification from my channel. And after the video ends, please check the description box. There you will find the link of the Excel data file which I am using in this video. So to subtotal data by group or level directly in a table, you can use a formula based on the sum if function and if function together in a nested form. So what you have to do is type the formula in this cell, that is the D5 cell, like this, equals to, at first we are going to type the if formula. Then it is asking for logical test, and what our logical test will be, follow my steps and I will describe it in the end of this video. So in the logical test, you just simply have to at first select this cell, then put a equation symbol, then select the upper cell of firstly selected cell, then put a comma. Now this one is your logical test. Now it is asking for value if true, and we are going to use the value if true as a empty string like this. Using the double quotation open and close will be converted into an empty string, then put a comma. Now it is asking for value if false. Now here we will use the sum if function as nested form, like I am using sum if. Then it is asking for range. Now what will be our range? Our range, just simply type B colon B, that means your whole column will be now selected, then put a comma. This one will be your range. Now it is asking for a criteria. Now what your criteria will be? Your criteria will be the first cell, then put a comma. Now it is asking for sum range, and what our sum range will be? This will be the amount column that is in the C column. So we will be type like this, C colon C. Then just close the brackets and hit the enter button. Look at here, it is showing 50. And now if you copy the formula from upside down, now the magic will be happened. Look at here, it is showing the result according to your table, and it has grouped your black and white group. So let's check how this formula actually work. And note carefully, data must be sorted by the grouping column to get sensible result, otherwise you will get 2 or 3 times result. Like if I sort this and filter sort, then you will get the result according to your table, and you will get only one results and one group, single group. The framework of this formula is based on if, which tests each value in column B to see if it's the same as the value in the cell above, like we have typed B5 equals to B4. When values match, the formula returns nothing as the empty string, and when values are different, the if function calls SUMIF, and SUMIF does its result. Now in each row where SUMIF is triggered by if, SUMIF calculates a sum of all matching rows in column C, that is C colon C. The criteria used by SUMIF is the current row value of column B5 tested against all of column B. Full column references like these are cool and elegant, since you don't have to worry about where the data begins and ends, but you need to be sure that there's not extra data above or below the table that may get caught by SUMIF. So that's all for today, friends. Hopefully you like this video. Please share your opinion as well as your queries in the comment section. Share this video with your friends. Keep learning, keep supporting this channel, and stay tuned.